What's up guys? In this video we are going to see the proper steps for creating a UI design. Step 1. Draw a mind map for the pages and designs that you are going to make. This flowchart will make you understand the flow of your work. Step 2. Make wireframing. Wireframing is drawing of the appearance of pages in rough way. You can use pen paper. Here I used a free tool called Concepts. Link in description. Step 3. UI model. Making a UI model is just creating a blueprint. Make the outer appearance of the app with exact structures and sizes. Step 4. Mockup. In this step change the outlined boxes with original colors and images. In short, make your UI model look like picture of your finished app. The last and favorite step of all of us. Start coding your UI design.